Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are solving a question where we have to get the orders uh, which are placed after November 2020, and the ship mode should not be in the standard class or the first class. So first, how we are going to write this query, let's see. So first we are going through the question where it is mentioned write a query to get all the orders. So first we will write this one only. So we will write select star from orders table, and now we are going to the condition part, which is a ship mode is neither in the standard class nor in first class. So how we will write this? So now we have to put the condition, so we will use the where keyword, and the condition is on what, on which column? That is the ship mode column. So we will write ship mode. We'll write ship mode here. And what is the condition? A standard class, the order should not be in the standard class or the first class. So here we are using a new keyword, that is not in. And why we are using it first, that is the question. Because we are using not, why we are using in, because there are two specific conditions are mentioned here, like standard class and the first class. So to get the result from the standard class and the first class, we have to mention, like, if and why we are not using like, because there is a pattern. Why we are not using like, question will arise, why we are not using like. So we are not using like here because there is not a pattern here. If there is a pattern matching, then only we will use like. Because there is a specific condition, there is a specific ship mode is mentioned here, like these two conditions should not meet. So here we are using in instead of like. So we are going to type, like, copy paste standard class here, and then we will put comma, and the second condition is first class. So we will copy paste this as well. So first we will, instead of not, let's see what will happen if we write in only. Sorry. So here you can see, sorry, there are ship mode as first class, standard class, and second class, same day. There are four different type of ship mode in this order data. So when we are putting like in standard class and the first class, what should be the answer? The answer should be, we will get all the orders which are present, which have a ship mode as standard class and the first class. Let's run this query and we will get the answer. Unclosed. Okay, sorry, my bad. We have not closed this inverted comma, so we will run it. Let's see. The ship mode is first class and standard class, and the query is still running, because as you can see the count of the rows are not, haven't come yet. So now you can see there are 7,506 rows which have a standard class and the first class as their ship mode. So let's, now when we write not here, what we will get? We will get only those orders which where ship mode is not standard class and the first class. We are supposed to get order details from the same day and the second class only. So let's execute this and we will get the result. As you can see, there the ship mode is second class and the same day only, and the row numbers is 2,488 only. So yeah, now the this much question is solved, right? So now let's go to the second part of our question, that is, and the ship date is after November. So because we have to get the orders details which are placed after November 2020. So we will write order date greater than, inverted comma, that is 2020, and November is 11th, and November, last day of November is 30. November month is of 30 days, so we will write that, and we will put a colon here, and we will run this query. So here you are getting 2488 rows. This should reduce now. So now you can see the order placed after November 30th is 938 orders are placed. Okay, so for the same question we can write in one more type, that is by not using not in keyword, we can use exclamatory marks. So how we can use, we will write after ship mode, we will write exclamatory marks equal to. But in this condition, in this way, we can only mention one condition here. So again we have to write ship mode, and this whole thing again we have to type, and we will put a bracket. Now we will run this query, and we will get the same rules from we will get the same answer which we will get after the first query run. The count of the rows is 938, so we will get the same rows from here as well, that is 938. Let's run. So as you can see, we are getting the same number of rows here as well, which we are getting from here, from this query. So let me run again. We are getting 938 rows from the above query, and the below query we are getting the same number of rows, that is 938. So it's taking time. So I will always suggest you to write the above query, because it has less conditions, so it will run fast. So yeah, we have solved one more question. So next video we will solve other questions as well. So thank you.